More on President Trump's tariffs and what they could mean for consumers. Elizabeth Schulze joins us to break down the potential impact. And Elizabeth, what kind of products are going to be affected by these tariffs on America's top trading partners?
Hey, good morning, Robin. Well, the short answer here is that a lot of products that we buy day to day could get more expensive. Groceries, gas, shoes, clothes, electronics. Mexico, Canada, and China, they accounted for almost half of all of the goods that were shipped into the U.S. last year. And the way that these tariffs work is that American businesses that are importing goods from those countries will now have to pay the U.S. government a higher fee for their products to cross the border. A key goal there is to incentivize companies to rely on domestic manufacturers to boost jobs here. But in the short term, those American businesses will have to decide if they absorb higher costs from the tariffs or if they pass them down to their customers, Robin.
Okay, so if companies do pass down the costs, how soon could consumers pay higher prices?
Okay, so if these tariffs stay in place, economists expect you could start to see price hikes by Memorial Day. For groceries, it could be within weeks or even days, Robin. So take fresh produce, for example. About 63% of U.S. vegetable imports come from Mexico. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, strawberries, tomatoes, limes, avocados, a lot of that fresh produce. And grocers, they can't really stockpile those foods in advance. So if they decide to pass down the entire 25% tariff, that means your $3 avocado could end up costing $3.75 pretty quickly. Liquor, like tequila and Canadian whiskey, could also get more expensive. And then the auto sector, really another big one at risk here. Automakers rely on thousands of different car parts that are traded between the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. If they are paying more to get those parts, you could end up paying $3,000 more for a new car. And some of the dealers that we've talked to say that they might raise those prices within months, Robin.
And many are wondering about gas prices, Elizabeth. Could they go up too?
They could. So about 60% of the crude oil that the U.S. imports comes from Canada. Our refineries are actually uniquely built to process Canadian oil. The national average right now for a gallon of gas about $3. GasBuddy expects that the tariffs mean prices could go up by 15 cents a gallon in the Midwest, as much as 40 cents a gallon within a week in the Northeast, Robin.
All right, Elizabeth, our thanks to you.